Alright everyone, we are here at Watermaster Car Wash Location 2, and today we're going to film their Wesumat right there.
Okay.
And then
to the razor.
Well, we'll do the razor another day.
Okay.
So we're gonna walk through that one and then that one. The reason why I didn't want to do that one is because this one, well, first of all, it has soft touch, and second of all, it won't get absolutely soaking wet.
Oh, yeah, okay. I get it.
Yeah, so, like I said, this is Watermaster Location 2, and we're going to walk through it. So I'll see you guys in just a second. Here's the pay station for the Wesumat. Here's the wash options. Here's your sign on the front door. Here's your undercarriage wash. Then we come up here towards the gantry. Seems like there are windows outside, but super hazed. But here's your sign, or signs. Then your wheel scrubbers, some cables for the tri-foam, your brushes, your dryers up there, and some other stuff. And then the exit. There's nothing at the exit. So now let's walk through the touch-free. It's a little bit, oh no, never mind. Not sure what's up with the water running out here. I guess it just mists a lot. But here's this pay station.
Please add payment for your selection.
The outdoor sign, side blasters, undercarriage wash. This definitely used to be something else. It looks like it was recently replaced. Wonder with what? But there's the gantry. There's your arm. This one is actually quite interesting because it has the, like, instead of the regular nozzles, they just screwed in turbo blasters into the arm. But there's your VS2 sensors. This is definitely a very, very new razor. There's your Spectra Ray. Love the Spectra Ray. Then there's your sign right there. Triple foam, flex pass. Oh, it does have foam and flow. I was about to say, this one doesn't have foam and flow. I was wrong. And then here are your Premier dryers, I believe. Yep, Premier. And then your dryer timer. So now, let's go through the soft touch. It's priming the pumps. Interesting. There's no undercarriage wash. Wonder what that's about. Man, this thing is shaky. Okay, I guess I'm going to this side. Is that filament down there I see? That's the wheel scrubber. Oh, it's getting the mirror. Oh. Well, that's no good. This thing is rickety. I don't know how to feel about this one. Okay, I'm curious though. Oh, it is filament. Never knew that these old things had filament in the first place. I guess that does make sense though, because this thing is so old. Not sure what that was. I think this is the... Oh, yeah. Oh, wait. This is a foam bath? Excuse me? This thing must not be wired correctly. dry car. Look at that. I'm very impressed with the onboard dryers. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a second. Oh. And it's returned to home position. You see that right there? That's the side dryer nozzle. Well, anyways, I'll see you guys in the car to review it. Okay, how would you rate that wash?
For an old one, I'd say it did pretty good.
Yeah, I'd say like 9 out of 10 or something.
Yeah.
It is raining though, so
Just barely started.
yeah.
So.
But I grabbed some filament off the floor.
Oh.
Don't worry, I didn't pull it from the brush. But yeah, filament, if anyone's curious, it just feels like thin plastic. Seriously.
You might not
If you want,
be able to focus that close.
well, there's a close view of it. But anyways, 9 out of 10. Honestly, I really liked the onboard dryer.
Good.
That onboard dryer was probably the best I've seen in a
It
while.
was cool the way it contoured the car.
Yeah.
I liked that.
So, that is the Wesumat W98, I think it is.
Okay.
So, thank you guys for watching and happy washing.